The Rack Shop is proud to present this Honda CR-V with the bare roof that we've just installed the Thule WingBar Evo base roof rack system. The system consists of the WingBar Evo, 53 inches in length, happens to be black, silver is also available. Also is the Thule Evo Clamp foot pack and vehicle specific fitting kit 145046. So those three make up the base roof rack system, which can hold up to 165 pounds evenly distributed, and crossbar spacing is 27 inches center to center. So for complete details, pictures, and pricing and easy ordering, click the link in the description below, and that'll take you to our website where you can find all that good stuff. So this is just a quick walk around so you can see what this looks like on this particular vehicle. So again, click the link for more details, but like always, thanks for watching.